Returning items to Temu is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to return Temu items. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google. From there, search for Temu and click on the official website, tam.com. Once you're on the website, ensure that you're logged into your account. You can do this by clicking on the profile icon, where you'll see various options available. Next, locate and click on the Your Orders section. Here you'll find a list of all the orders you've placed, including any potential returns. If you wish to initiate a return, look for the option labeled Return or File a Return. Click on this option to proceed with the return process. If you're unable to find the return option, you can also reach out to Temu's customer support by navigating to the Messages section. From there, select Order and Shipping and send a direct message expressing your intent to return an item. Once you've initiated the return process, you'll be able to view your returns within the designated section. And that's all there is to it. Following these steps, you'll be able to return Temu items hassle-free. I hope you found this guide helpful in facilitating your return process.